Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today we're over at Sean and Anthony Hitt's farm, and we had the pads poured here probably 3 weeks ago. It's just then we got busy at other things and never got a chance to come back and install the frost-free water tanks. But we just finished these 2 of them. We still have 3 more to do. But the pride of the farm, it's a pretty good tank. It's got all the mechanisms down inside that hole. It works like your toilet. When the cattle drink, the float drops down and water kicks on. This particular model is rated for, I believe it's 80 head. This is pressurized, and it charges back quickly. They've got tremendous pressure. It's on a drilled well, and you can see we laid caulking underneath it to seal the edge of it all the way around. And on this one, because the way this shutoff was plumbed in, it's our very first one, it's not embedded in the concrete. All the rest of them are. But anyway, this is all going to be filled up with rock out here. So that'll be rock, except for, of course, where that steel, the steel meter top comes off, and we've got a valve down in there. You can shut it off or turn it on. And when you turn it off, it drains all the water. All you've got to do is push in on those holes right there. There's a big old rubber plunger in there. It's like it looks like a Fischer scientific plug. And stoppers, they call them. Anyway, you push those in, the water comes out. So there's nothing left in here to freeze. There's a stop waste valve over there, and the stop waste valve allows the water to drain out of this tank. The supply line, so there's no water in the supply line either. So if you're not using it in the wintertime, you come in and you're moving your cows to this section of your farm. You just come over here, take that cap off, put your plugs in. I leave my plugs in all the time once I drain it. And the reason I leave my plugs in, it keeps the mice. Mice will go in here and build a nest in there. I've never yet got a snake out of there. If I do, you'll hear me scream a mile off. Cause how about you, Anthony? You like snakes?
I'll be right there with you.
You'll be running too, won't you?
Yeah. I won't be with you, actually. I'll be gone.
You'd probably outrun me if you saw a snake.
I could probably. That might be the only time.
But yeah, it turned out really good. I wanted to show you these anchors. These are some, I'd never used these before, but Sasha said they use them in construction all the time. And boy, I mean, they are a good bolt. You put that with a big old washer on it. Our pad is 4.5 to 5 inches thick, so I drilled a hole with my concrete drill. That's one of those Bosch concrete hammer drills. It's got the hammer. Don't ever try and drill a hole through concrete, folks, unless you have one of these bits. Here it is. Folks, this bit gets with it. You get one of these cheap bits, and by the time you get your hole drilled through there, your hole's all wallered out, and then your concrete anchors or your concrete bolt, they don't hold it. The hole's so darn big that it won't hold anything. These things, I mean, they get with it. Our trusty Honda generator, we needed a way to run the drill, and it just nailed it, went right through it. So anyway, we got 2 done and 3 more to go. And the first one took us a little bit longer. They didn't give us all the pieces. We're missing one piece of that water tank. So I've already let the person know where I got them from. He's ordering it. It's a little plastic piece that goes in the very top. It's on the valve that shuts off the water. It's kind of an important piece. I don't know why, but they didn't put it in there. And so they got to order those special, get those in. But everything else is ready. We just got to take that top back off and put that on and fire it up. So what Sean and Anthony got here is 5 more water points. So even in the summertime, you know, these are made for winter when it's really cold. But even in the summertime, you know, you can turn this on. This is a water point. It'll water 80 head on a hot day. It's 20 gallons. And I mean, as fast as they drink, it's refilling. They can't drain this tank. Y'all still got your water tank your pump set down on a low setting, don't you?
Yeah, it's running about 25%.
25%, and it's about all you can do to plug in this quick coupler.
It's still good. It's good and solid.
Yeah.
A lot of pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, works really well. Fills the tank up. It fills the tanks up faster than the city water.
Yeah.
We've got city water on the other farm.
Yeah.
And we got more pressure on this than we do the city water.
Well, I remember
25%.
the first time we plugged it in back there on the back. It looked like Old Faithful.
Yeah.
I mean,
Alex remembers that too.
Yeah. It went about 60 feet in the air.
Yep.
I couldn't believe it. I thought, what is going on? But yeah. That's when I told Anthony, I said, you need to Sean, I told Sean, I said, shut the power down on this thing a little bit.
But you and I both were feeling much better then, because that was like hitting oil for both of us. We weren't quite sure there was enough pressure to get there. So we're pretty happy.
Well, pressure was not an issue.
No,
And it was,
took 2.5 hours to get from there all the way out there the first time.
yeah. Part of that was we had all kinds of debris in the pipes.
Yeah, when we do the next farm, we're going to clean out the pipes that have been sitting over there.
Yeah, we let them settle there all winter. So some of them had mouse nests, debris in them, and so it had to push all that clear out to the end. I'm sure that slowed it up some.
We'll be prepared next time.
Yeah, we learned a lesson on that one. So anyway, folks, I'm going to wrap up here. I just wanted to show you these beautiful tanks that are we're looking forward to being able to use them this winter. Not have to chop ice. That's just a big deal. Come out here on it's 10 below zero. Just turn the darn thing on. You got water for your livestock. They're not standing in mud. I mean, look at this. Standing on a good concrete foundation. And we're going to fill this out about 4 foot of chat rock all the way around this pad. And yeah, it's coming together. As they say, another piece of the puzzle fell into place. Folks, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.